Okay. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a TradingView account and also show you how to navigate the app. So you use the TradingView as your eyes. Let's put it that way. The TradingView is going to be where you stock, where you monitor your trades, the price, the pair, you do your technical analysis and all of that. So I'm going to show you how to open a TradingView account. It's very, very, very easy. So first things first, you go to your URL and type in TradingView. I already have an account, but for the purpose of this video, I'll just try and open a new one. So you click on the TradingView app, on the website rather, sorry, because they also have an app. Then register, right? Now we don't have an account yet, so you can see you can register with your Facebook, with your X, which is your Twitter, Yahoo, Apple, or LinkedIn, or even use your email to sign in. But for now, we just want to create it. So let's go to the bottom and see sign up, right? Click on sign up, and we'll use, let's use email. Let me use my email. Create a password. Right, so we're not robots. Click on I'm not a robot, and then you create the account. Right, we have created it, and it says verify your email. Now we'll go to the email, try to verify it. Just put my email. It's very easy. It's not difficult at all. Very easy, and it's the easiest, it's the best way to look at your trades, to stalk them. So you can see they've already sent the mail to me to verify. So I just go down to activate that account. So when you click on it, it takes you to that page. Right. So now you can see that still loading, right? You have to agree to the terms of use and private policy. You click on it and click next. So we're ready to go now. Let's go back to what we were doing. Click on products, go back to super chats, and it will load the page again. Okay. So we're logged in properly. We're logged in. We can see that these things came back again because it's the default setting. We have to start arranging it in our own way. So you have to delete these unwanted pairs, like I said earlier. You can go ahead. If you want to leave them there, it's fine, but I like to delete them so that my chart is not too busy and confusing. So on the right side, if you just put your cursor on the far end of the right corner of the page, you see the X sign. Click on the X sign and everything goes up. Keep clicking on it until all of them are gone. So for us to put a new pair, you click on this plus sign that is here, and this will pop up. You can see that we have, like we said earlier, we have all stocks, funds, futures, forex, crypto indices, bonds, economy options. We have all of them here. These are the symbols of the pairs. These are the names and brokers. So let's choose a pair, like I said earlier. Right? So we've chosen gold, right? You can see that it has appeared here. Let's choose another one. Let's choose, let's go to crypto and choose ETC USD. And let's choose Binance because Binance is very popular. Choose Binance, and there you are. It's right here. So if you want the pairs to appear here, if you want the chart of that particular pair to appear here, you click on it. Just click on it, and there you go. There you have your charts. Then you're good to go. You can now start personalizing the whole thing. So on this other side, you have your tools. On the top side, you have here we have the time frames. Here, this place that has the D is where you have the time frames. If you click on it, all the time frames will appear here. All the time frames that is on TradingView. We have 1 second, 2 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 1 minute, all the way to 12 months, right? So you get to choose whichever time frame you want from here. And this is where you choose how you want this chart to appear. Do you want candles? Do you want holo? See, holo will appear. Do you want lines? See, let's change the lines. Do you want step line? Let's choose step line. There you go, step line. But I like to use the candle. I love the candles because this is easier for me to see and understand. Then if you want to personalize the time frames, want to add cost, want to customize it, you just come down here. For instance, choose the 1 minute, you click on the star and it becomes your favorite. Let me choose the ones I usually use. I use 1 minute, I use 5 minutes, I use the 15 minutes, and then I use the 1 hour. I also use the daily chart a lot, as well as the 1 week. That's it. So if we come up here, you can see we have all those time frames I clicked, all those ones I starred, they are now here. Very easy for me to access, very, very easy to access. Then I come down to the tools. This is where we have the trend line. The first one contains the trend line, the waves, the info, the horizontal lines, just like we did with the time frames. You can start the ones that you use all the time, add them to your favorite, just watch. So let me start the ones I personally use all the time. I use the trend line a lot. See, it has appeared here. I use the horizontal line. It has appeared here, right? I use the horizontal ray a lot, and I also use the vertical line a lot. I use it a lot. So now, come down to, like, basically whichever tool you like to use, just start it so that it comes to your favorite. It's easy for you to access. I use the Fibonacci. but not so much, right? The fave retracement, which is this first one. So I will star it so it appears on my right hand side as one of my favorites. I also, sorry, I also use this. So this is where you have your long position and your short position. I start the long position, also start the short position. So let me show you what I mean by long shorts. This is for a short position. If I was going to enter a trade and calculate my risk to reward, I can very easily do that by using this long short position tool. But let's take it out so it doesn't make this look too busy. So it's right here. It's right here. And then another tool I always use is the rectangle. Start a rectangle so that it appears amongst my favorite tools. That is it. If you want to write text, click on this. This is text. If you want to write text, if you want to anchor the text, if you want to write a note, a call out, if you want to write a comment during your analysis, if you want to label anything, come down here to where the T is, click on it. All these things will come out. Then choose whichever one you want to use, right? And for instance, let me write a text. That's it. So if I want to write, I just come to the T, use that to write, right? If I make a mistake and I want to correct it, I double click and then I can correct my mistake right here. Very easy to use, very user friendly. That's why I like TradingView. TradingView is very, very easy to use, very easy. It's not difficult to navigate. Then here are your emojis. Yes, we have emojis on TradingView. Use this one. We want to use it for, I don't know, anything you want to use it for. Use that. I'm taking them out because I don't want the space to be too big. So see what we're doing. Looks busy enough. We don't want to make it any more difficult than it looks, even though it's easy, right? Okay, so that's that. Just come here and choose the tool you want. If you want to delete all these things, want to delete everything here, you come down to this basket on your right, on your left, and click on it. If you have trend lines, for example, let's draw a trend line. If you have annotations, when I say annotations, I mean like you have trend lines, you have things, all these tools. Let's say you drew a trend line, you drew your stop loss, you did a box, you wrote something, and it looks too busy. But for the moment, you just want to see a clean candle, and come down here, click on this eye sign, this eye sign on the left. Click on it, everything goes away. It doesn't mean it's deleted, it's there, but it's invisible right now. If you want them to come back on, just click on it and everything will come back, right? I hope it's easy enough. Then on this far right hand side, let's go back to this right hand side. If you want just your candlesticks to be showing, you don't want any of these things on the side, you click on this box to go into full screen mode. Click on it, right? And there you are, voila. All those things by the corner are gone. They are gone. Then if you want to go back, just go to escape and you're back. You're back there. Then this camera sign is to take a snapshot of the current of whatever analysis you have done. If you want to download the image, you can download it. You can copy the image. You can copy the link. This of whatever you've done, you can copy the link. You can open it in another tab and also tweet the image. And just go to Twitter and post whatever it is you want. posts there. So it screen grabs. It's basically a screen grabber. It screen grabs and creates a link physically. That's what it does. So yeah, that's it for now. These are the basics. Like, don't need anything else really for you to be able to do your technical analysis here. It's pretty straightforward. That's why most people use it. It's very, very, very user friendly. User friendly. So yeah, that's that for now. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message or to write a message in my comment box, and I will respond to your messages. So yeah, until next time, bye for now.